Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today we are back at the Western Star RV Ranch RV Park, and we just wanted to show you guys some things we didn't notice the last time we were here. Zena, are you ready? So right now we're like in front of their windmill, and either we just didn't notice it last time or the actual fish in here are real. So you can see them right there. That's pretty cool. Last time, I think we only noticed the fake ducks, or there only were fake ducks. So I think that's pretty cool. The water is not the cleanest, but little fishies are cool. Then over here, we want to show you the hours of the hot tub, which I can't find. Mr. Cameraman said on a sign somewhere it has the hot tub hours, which are not very long, but the normal hours are 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Oh, this must be the hours for the hot tub because the hot tub is in this building. So yeah, this room's got a hot tub, washers and dryers, a pool table, so it's open 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. So that's pretty cool. It says don't bring trash or anything. And yeah, I'm pretty sure those are the only things that I didn't mention when me and Zena and Mr. Cameraman were here the first time. You can see the camper over there. And we got a full hookup. And I love those tiny little birds. That noise is birds. Now another thing that didn't happen last time is the train right there. So but who cares? Trains are kind of cool. And then there is the office. And this time of year, there's like hardly anybody here, but we love stopping at this place. And I don't know if I mentioned last time, but there's a little propane tank right there. We are just gonna use their dumpsters real fast, and then it's time to head out. Well, if you want like the full tea, all the rundown on this campground, definitely check out our original review video. We're gonna have that linked down below. But like I said, we just wanted to show you a couple of things that I think that we didn't mention the first time, or just a couple of things we missed. If you liked this little video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time this little queen uploads a new video, tries a new campground. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Oh, one more thing. In our last video, we had mentioned that Zena got covered in these like sticky things that stuck in her fur. So the lady who checked us in mentioned that behind the check-in buildings, behind the hot tub buildings, that's where all of those things are. If you bring your dog to this side, she said that there's none of those things over here. So that was a relief to know. But yeah, get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.